we're going to videotape. Let's see if we can videotape. Yeah, we are currently videotaping. Why don't you give him a tour, really, of what's been going on? So you got the shield off.
Yeah, what I did when I was underneath the car, you're going to have to move the camera around a little bit to see the other side. My first indicator was this right here.
There you go.
Which is, I saw this bolt and this washer that are clearly not tight, and that is part of the mechanism of the emergency brake. This is the other side of it, and you can see that this was not tight and that it didn't have its requisite lock cotter pin in it to keep it from coming loose and causing issues and stuff. We have a minor little bit here with some of the assembly of the emergency brake, which we will clean up and we will lubricate. And then the cover has been mangled within 2 inches of its life and fit very poorly because it was so bent up and was only attached with half its hardware. This cover fits which way? Oh, it fits this way and blocks all this stuff and keeps all the grit and dirt and stuff from fouling the emergency brake. So we'll straighten this all up and get all this out of it and unbend all these corners and make this plate straight here and all that, and get this straightened up and get this all to fit, and we'll redo the mechanism and then get it to where it actually tensions, because as it stands right now it's so loose that you use up most of the travel of the emergency brake just taking all the slack out of the mechanism and everything else, and odds are pretty high that the brake itself was working poorly at best, because by the time you got the lever pulled all the way, you still hadn't actually pulled the brakes. So we'll get this all sorted out amongst the stuff that we're doing.
Excellent. Oh, also we've got new drain plug installed, and we're leak checking it right now with what residual was in the fuel tank. This is, I'll show you what your old drain plug looked like. There's the old drain plug, what's left of it. And that gives you an idea of the power of the fuel, the causticness of the fuel. It will dissolve brass like that.